We have some sliced mushroom. We have some cabbage. We have Chinese cabbage here. Then we have chopped coriander. Then we have some sliced carrot, sliced zucchini, green and yellow. We have some lemon wedges for the flavor. Then we have some boiled chicken for the soup. We have some chopped ginger, chopped onion, chopped garlic, salt, pepper for seasoning, a little bit of chicken broth powder. It's optional. If you like, you can add. If you want to skip it, you can skip the broth powder as well. Then we have some refined oil here and chicken stock. So we'll start our soup with 2 tablespoons of refined oil. Now we'll add around 1 tablespoon of chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic, half teaspoon of chopped ginger, and we have around 1 teaspoon of chopped coriander stem. Now we'll give it a nice stir. Once your ginger, garlic and onion starts releasing its flavor, you can start adding your other vegetables. So we'll start by adding our carrots first. Since carrot is a little hard and it will take time to cook. Now we'll cook it for 1 minute. All our vegetables have been sliced thinly so that it looks decorative in the soup and it's faster to cook as well. Our carrots are already done. Now we'll add some zucchini to it and some mushroom. Cabbage you can always add in the end. Cabbage doesn't take too much time to cook. Now we'll stir this for around 1 minute or so and then we'll add our Chinese cabbage to it. So it's been a minute now and we'll add our cabbage to it. Now we'll season our vegetables with a little bit of salt and a little bit of white pepper. Now we'll turn on the flame and add 3 cups of chicken stock to it. We have added our chicken stock. Now we'll let the vegetables come to a boil. It will take around 3 to 4 minutes till all our vegetables have cooked. So it's been 5 minutes now. Our vegetables have boiled and they're already cooked. Now we'll just finish it with half teaspoon of Maggi seasoning powder or any other aromatic powder that you have. Again, this is optional. If you do not like any external seasoning, you can skip that. Just give it a nice stir. We'll add some chopped coriander to it to finish and then turn off the flame. Now once you turn off the flame, you can add lemon juice to it. So we are using juice of 1 whole lemon. So the important tip here is if you add your lemon juice when your soup is still boiling, your soup might turn bitter. So it's very important. You need to turn off your flame, wait for 2-3 seconds and then add your lemon. So it will give a nice flavor to it. So our soup is ready. It's already finished with some lemon juice. Now we'll add our boiled chicken cubes to our soup and we'll give it a nice stir. Now we'll plate our soup. So you can try to take as much as vegetable and chicken for your soup and then you can add the chicken liquid or the chicken broth over your vegetables. Finally, if you wish, you can add just a little bit of chopped coriander for garnish. Our chicken lemon coriander soup is ready.